Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb with Red Racing Industries. Now, today we are back with episode 57 of racing every single track and every single car inside of Gran Turismo 7. Now, once again, racing the 2022 Honda Civic Type R. And if you don't know already, we've sold our 23 Civic Type R. And we've purchased a 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X. Moving from championship white to sterling metallic. Now, a little bit of a shift, I know, but if you haven't checked out the other videos, you'll know why we've made the change. Other than that, let's go ahead and dive right in to episode 57. Let's go ahead and dive right in to episode 57 of racing every single track and every single car set at Gran Turismo 7. Now, here we go, back again with our Civic Type R. Moving over to World Circuits. Let's go ahead and get into Europe, Middle East, Autodrome, Lago, Maggiore, and we're going to go to the center track. So even the evening is still pretty light. We're going to stick with the daytime. Let's go three laps and get right into it. Ooh, we got two SRT demons this time. I only saw one in the last episode. So now we're going to have to learn this track layout. Oh, as we're getting nudged around by a Mercedes. Beautiful car, but he's going to have to stay off of us. We're trying to win this thing. Come on. And brake. We're not going into the pits. No reason to go into the pits. This is a nice little straightaway. Admittedly, there's not near as many corners to do a lot of passing on. Oh, you can hear them whine. Oh, well, there we go, hitting them. Running right back into the demon. Well, we've taken your soul. And past Urus. Probably going to be on track limits. P6. Oh, brake. Brake. Ah! We still split right through it. It sounds like it's trying so hard to catch up and stay up, but I know that car's a lot faster. He's only got us on the straights, nothing during the corners. Ooh, okay. Now that we're P4 and squealing tires, taking the inside. Yeah, he's trying to push me off the track. Not today, buddy. Oh, this is it. Come on, past the C7. Come on. Push, push. That ain't happening. Dang it. P3, baby. P3. Okay. That's episode 57 of racing every single track and every single car inside of Gran Turismo 7. At least we beat the two demons and at least two of the Corvettes or something like that. Other than that, I do want to say thank y'all again for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this episode. I will see y'all on the next one.